All right, everyone, so today I am about to make a balloon garland for the Super Bowl game today. My husband and I, we're going for the Kansas City Chiefs. That is our favorite team. We love them, so I'm going to make some balloons to go with our decorations. We're going to be having some food and having us a Super Bowl party, just me and my family. So I wanted to bring you along with us. So as you see, I have some red balloons. I have some red balloons, and I have some white balloons, and I also have some gold balloons. All right, because the colors are red, white, and gold for the Kansas City Chiefs. And I also have a football balloon that I'm going to be adding also. I hope these are enough balloons. If not, I will have to add some to make my garland. I'm trying to put it around the TV, but if not, I may have to add it somewhere else. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go over to Event Decor and Designs by Aisha, and make sure you follow me over there. I put videos over there also that I don't all the time put here on YouTube. And make sure you follow me on Facebook at Event Decor and Designs by Aisha. So let's get started. Alright, so I have some other videos that I'm going to be putting in the card section as well as the description box, just showing you how to make a garland, just in case it's your first time making it. Alright, it's pretty simple once you get used to it. And I want to say that I'm using my electric balloon pump right here, and this is a wonderful pump for balloon decorator, balloon designs, even for you if you want to do your DIYs. So this particular pump I purchased from Amazon, and if you're interested, I have a link in the description box, so make sure you go and check it out. It is an affiliate link. Your hand pump. And this is the football balloon that I'm going to be adding to my garland. And I'm just going to use my electric balloon pump just to blow it up a little bit, as you see. And now I'm just going to be using my hand pump to finish it off. All right, you have to be careful because you do not want to pop it. All right, that's pretty good. And all I'm going to do is use my I have some regular tape. I have some glue dots somewhere, but I'm just going to use this regular tape just to tape the tail part of this that hangs down, to tape it to the back. All right, if you can see, just like so. I'm going to take it and just put it here. And that is just to get the tail part out of the way. All right, so this is how it looks. So now what I'm going to be doing, I found this yarn at the Dollar Tree. And if you all have a Dollar Tree in your area, I would suggest that you run to your Dollar Tree and purchase this. I've been trying out different types of ways to tie my balloons. I've tried, as you know, I've tried fishing line, I've tried 260s, I've tried, what other way? That's pretty much, I think, fishing line, 260s, and now I'm going to try this yarn. It was $1, so they had a whole lot of it. They actually had a section full of yarn. So if you want to try out yarn, then I would suggest that you head to your Dollar Tree just to give it a try. And again, this was $1 from the Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to do, I'm just going to start with a pair. pair of balloons. I'm just going to take my yarn and just wrap it around. And yes, I got the color that I'm going to be using. It's kind of like a burgundy, but I'm going to tie it right here. All right, so now what I'm going to do is just take another balloon, place it just like so, like crisscross, like a cross here. Okay, I'm going to take my yarn, go around the newly placed balloon, go around the other side of the newly placed balloon. All right, go around my balloon that I put there first, the red balloon, and also go around the second one, the second red balloon that I already had here, and just give it a, you know, a tug, and you just keep adding your balloons. Alright, so for the football, all I did was add some glue dots, which I have right here on the back. And I'm going to be placing it right up in here. In this area right here. Alright. Oops. I think my glue dots got onto some more of my balloons here. Alright, so here is my Kansas City Super Bowl balloon garland that I made for my family and I. We are Kansas City Chiefs fans, and I made this balloon garland to go here in this area. And I'm going to be putting some food right here so that we can watch the game. But let me take you in closer for a closer look of this garland. All right, so right here I added my 24-inch red balloon, and on the back side of it I put a command hook. Well, my husband put a command hook up for me, if you can see it right there, and all I did was attach a rubber band in order to hold it up right there. All right, so all these other balloons are 12-inch balloons, and I blew them up in different sizes with my electric balloon pump. And this balloon right here came from Party City. It is a football balloon, and I just blew that up with part of it with my electric balloon pump and the rest with my hand pump. All right, so I took the garland all the way down to the floor, the carpet here, and I just added my other 24-inch white balloon at the bottom. All right.